Meaning of genotype.
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 Genotype. Genotype refers to the genetic makeup of an individual, including all of its inherited genes, alleles, and variations. It is the complete set of instructions that determine an organism's physical and behavioral traits. The genotype is responsible for passing traits down from one generation to the next through DNA replication and inheritance. It plays a major role in determining an organism's susceptibility to diseases, response to environmental stimuli, and ability to adapt and evolve over time. Understanding an organism's genotype is essential for genetic research and can lead to new discoveries in medicine, agriculture, and evolutionary biology.